This video showcases my digital workflow from receiving the STL file to producing a 3D printed prototype. I start by inspecting the STL mesh to ensure the scan is clean and accurate. Once the file is validated, I design the restoration in Exocad, defining the margin, anatomy, contact, and occlusion for a precise fit. Next, I prepare the file in Chitubox, optimizing the orientation, support, and printing parameters, and then printing a prototype using biocompatible resin for the restoration and dental model resin for the working model. After washing and post-curing, I perform the final inspection to verify the fit and overall quality. My goal is to deliver precise, efficient, and reliable digital dental solution. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to working with you.